I will show you stone setting process in a 4-stone pendant. After the setting of first stone, pick second accent stone, and put into collet. Once it drop in the collet, press it slowly with tool. After this, press it from top side surface around bead the stone. After this process, file the surface of third stone collet with filler tool to make it smooth and clean, and then put third accent stone in the collet. Once it's drop in the collet, press from top to fit in the collet, and once it's done, take tool and push collet from around the spiny to fit it in the collet. If you do not do this, stone can fall out easily. After this, put last stone and put in the collet, and do same process as you did with last 3 stones. Once you've done this, pick the filler tool and file from top to make smooth surface around the stone. Now, your pendant is ready, and you can send it to final polish.